可以了，播了，已经开始了，走吧。
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
所以
Welcome to our booth at the Canton Fair. We are displaying a lot of the new products. Let's introduce one by one. For this one is the products for the newborn channel. It's a newborn channel with the different shape with the golden deco. It's very popular among the Middle East market. We also have the different colors of the different decoration for your clothing. The last one is for the porcelain, non-porcelain with the deco products.
给我个时间特写，给我个时间进行特写。对。
For the porcelain deco products, we have the different shapes like the dinner plate, side plate, soup plate, rice bowl, and mug. We have the non-multiple plates and embossed plates with the deco. We have different shapes and different decorations for the choosing. Okay, let's continue to the next. For this one, it's for the porcelain with the color printing products. This is the new products we developed this year. This is the cup oval shape with the solid color pad printing. For this kind of range, we have the two colors for your choosing, and we also have the two colors pad printing. This is also porcelain pad printing, but it's not the normal round shape, it's the edge shape. Also the very nice with different colors of the solid color pad printing. Wow, you can like this one. I hope you can like it. This is the when you touch this ball, you can feel it's embossed, but it's what made by the porcelain pad printing. It's not the real embossed. Yeah. We have the red color, the green color, and the brown color. The effect is very nice, but the most important is price is very good. Hope you can like it.
哇，刚才好几个人问了，没事，卖了他都能看。
Next, wow! So this one, the big size of the dinner size. The salad bowl, the soup plate, the rice bowl, the mug, and the saucer. Also the pot. The big size of the stoneware material with the color glaze, reactive glaze, also with the lines embossed. We have the yellow color and the blue color. We can also do customized colors. You can just give us your ideas about the colors you want. Then now we have colors. For all these lines are the reactive glazed products. Let's continue to the next This would be the most hot-selling products among the market. It's the embossed shape. We call it pumpkin shape. It's a stoneware material with a reactive finish. A lot of shapes. Dinner plate, soup plate, and the different size of the balls, coffee set, then egg. It's very cute. And then I make a record. This is the new product that developed this year. It's the stoneware material. It's the cloud glaze. You can see. It's very unicorn. At the present, we developed 4 colors of this. It's blue, black, brown, and purple color. We can also do your own colors. You can just give us your your page number, we can make the samples for you. Next is the very unicorn shape. See? In China, we call it. In Chinese, we call it 元宝. It means a lot of rich, a lot of money. The last one is for the stoneware hand painted products. For stoneware, we have the different materials. For this one, it's white stoneware. You can see the body color is white, makes the hand painted lines very nice. The color is very bright. And for this one, it's the normal stoneware. The body color is a little darker, but the cost of this kind of products is very cheap. This kind of products is also very popular among the market. Okay, that's all the products we are displaying at the Canton fair. If you have any demands of our products, please feel free to contact with Tresun. Tresun will offer the best service to you. Thanks for your watching. Bye-bye. Yes, we are taking the Canton fair. Our booth number is 3.1800304. Welcome for your visiting. And we have more than 21 years experience in our exporting the high quality ceramic innerwear products. We do the wood, walls, rugs, of different kinds of shapes, which can meet our different needs. If you have any demands of the ceramic products, do not hesitate to contact the manufacturer. We have the best service for you.
知道。我这直播，拿你手机，拿你的手机我，哎，来头直播 ，YouTube， YouTube，往这边看，往这边看。
OK。
走呗，过这儿。
We also bring the new shape.
等会儿给我时间走特写啊。OK。这是直播，现场直播，不用重新来，直接走。
And here are the classical cup shapes. We can see this layer was made by hand painting. And the material is white stoneware and the dolomite. Now we already open the shape you can see it with the vertical ring and with the decoration outside of the ring. To make the product more stable, there are 2 foot.
你不用弄那，就是跟聊天一样。对对。OK。
It's like the Chinese money,
元宝。
And this one, the calculator, is the street body and with the metallic rim. This rim is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. At last, let's see this one. Also the straight rim product, but we can see the vertical lines, the embossed texture. Yeah, this is the most popular design this year. For the color list, we also also have assorted colors for your choosing. And you can give us any pattern number. We can send it for you. Just come to us suddenly. Next, let's see the Christmas collection. We can see the elements of the Christmas. Now it's time to order for the Christmas dinnerware. Okay. At last, let's see the marble list. We can make the texture in different colors: blue, coffee, and purple. Let's see the big family. Except of the dinnerware, we also have the mixing bowl. It's very durable quality and different size. And also the deep bowl. Big salad bowl. And the soup bowl with the handle. The coffee set. Mug, actually, except of the blue color, we also have green and brown. There are more relaxing collections for you. And we also have the teapot. Now let's step the porcelain there. We can see those are porcelain decor in cup shape, new shape, with age. Those are the cereals. The texture is underglazed. When you touch the surface, it's very smooth and it is food safe. It's able to pass the California. Last, those are the newest design by pad printing. We also add the water absorption raw material, so when you touch it, you can feel the embossed texture. Those are the luxury porcelain and the newborn cereals.
人就正常说
We
一说。
have various shapes. You can see the shapes in with the age and this one, and also this one. The newest shape, pumpkin embossed texture.
透光拿看看。
Okay. Let's see the quality. At
转
last,
转
I'd
一下
like to show
换
you the
换个位置，
latest,
换个位置啊。
At last, we'd like to show you the latest of newborn series. The excellent texture of the embossed. And also this one dots. Okay, there are also more than 1,000 new products in our office. Welcome to visit us. Thank you. Bye bye.